This video will go over annuities and how to find the future value in a word problem. So suppose you deposit $100 a month for 15 years at 4.1% interest per year, compounded quarterly. First part, how much would you have? That's the future value. And the second part is how much money did you make? So we'll start by clearing our memory. Second plus 7, 1, 2. Now the memory is clear. And then we'll hit the apps button and choose 1 for finance, hit enter, and 1 for TVM solver. That takes us to the screen, the TVM solver screen, that will allow us to solve this problem. We'll start with N. N is the number of years, 15, times the number of payments per year. And since it's monthly, we make 12 payments a year for 15 years, which is 180 payments. Our interest rate is 4.1, it's 4.1%. Our present value starts at 0. We have no money, or it's ignored in this question. But every month we spend $100 on our deposit, and in the calculator we make that negative. You hit the white minus button, that's the button just down here, white minus, to get a negative $100 deposit. Our future value we're going to leave for a moment, that's what we're going to calculate. Our payments per year, that's how many times we make a payment each year. Since we're spending monthly, we make $100 monthly, that's P/Y is 12. But our C/Y, which is our compounds per year, automatically changes to 12, but we have to check the question. We're not getting interest monthly, we're getting interest quarterly, or 4 times a year. It doesn't say in the question if we make the payment at the beginning or the end of the month, so we'll assume at the end of the month. And that's everything we need. Now we go up to future value, and you hit alpha, the green button, and then right after it enter in the bottom right corner, and that solves the problem for you. So for part A, alright, answer here, for part A, after those 15 years we'll have $24,782.99 approximately. Now we're going to have to do some math to figure out how much money we made. So we want to figure out how much interest really we earned. That's good for us here because we're saving money. We want to earn interest. Well, our interest earned is just going to be to figure out how much we had at the end, our future value, take away how much we spent. And we spent N times, that's 180. We spent $100. That is, we did 180 deposits, 180 months at $100. So our future value, I'm just going to move the calculator here, we won't need it for a moment, is 24,000. We end up with $24,782.99, but we spent N, which if you remember was 180. We did 180 payments times $100. So that's $24,782.99 minus $18,000, which gives us, you can just subtract the 24,000 minus 18,000, which is $6,782.99. Therefore, we would have $6,782.99. And all that information is displayed as was described here on the TVM solver.